Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, and welcome to my weekly vlog. I'm Sarah from CHIC Talking and Design, and I'm so glad you came and joined me today. This one's likely going to be a short one. I have a ton on the go, and today is retreat day. I'm so excited. I have some things I want to share with you on that, but I got to get going. I got lots of stuff to pack, and I got to get to the site to get ready for these ladies to arrive today. So cheers to Friday. We made it to the end of another week. It's been a crafty week, and I have a few things I want to share with you, a few updates, and let you know what's coming in the week ahead. So it was a super crafty week. We got a couple of different lives in. I will leave those in the cart here so you can go and check them out. I don't know what happened. One of the lives here on YouTube did not record all the way to the end. It was a live. So anyway, strange technology and I don't always get along. But regardless, I have the finished project from that live. I will drop a picture here. We made these adorable ornaments. I am full-fledged starting to get ready for Christmas, and I've got some craft shows coming up. So I'm getting those things done, and these ornaments were adorable and can be made in a matter of minutes. So you certainly could make them too. And the other projects that we made, I will leave photos here and the links to those videos if you want to go back and check them out. The one of them was a Facebook Live. So if you're looking for that, the VIP Facebook group, the link is in the description of this video. So just go ahead and join us over there. It's a fabulous community of people who are so lively and support one another. They all share pictures of their craft projects, and I would love to have you over there as part of my community on Facebook as well. So if you're not already, make sure you click that link and come and join us over there. Last week's vlog was a little bit emotional, and if you haven't seen it, I will link it here so you can go back and check it out. But so many of you reached out to me afterwards, and that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. For several reasons, but it was just so comforting to hear that other people have been through and experienced what I was going through last week, and I appreciate it. Your comments helped me get through a little rough patch, and we are back on track and feeling fabulous, and can't wait to get this weekend going. I am so excited for this retreat weekend. And speaking of that, I also received a ton of messages from the ladies who are coming on this retreat, and that sort of prompted this late night little brain dump that I'll put here next. Hey everybody, I'm actually painting. I'm working on a project, and it is late at night, and it is this is burning the midnight oil while I get ready for this craft retreat, and I am so excited about that, but that's not what I popped on here to talk about. I was having these thoughts, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna record this because I have received several messages this week from women who are planning to attend this retreat, all of whom are excited and anxious and nervous and all of those emotions wrapped into one. And it occurred to me, well, it's occurred to me for quite some time, but these conversations that I've had with these ladies this week have really reaffirmed for me the fact that we don't take care of ourselves. All of the messages that I've received have been of similar nature. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I haven't left my family in 2 years. I haven't left my family in 8 years. I have never done anything for myself like this before. And I'm excited, but I'm nervous and I'm feeling guilty and all of those things. And I just, as I was painting, that's when I do my best thinking, is when I'm creative, is it occurred to me that we really don't take the time to take care of ourselves. And I know that's probably a message that we hear a lot of in social media. But I really the outcome of this craft retreat was really for people of like-mindedness to come together and craft and create. I knew that there would be new friendships formed because most of the people coming don't know each other. There's a couple of different pods of friends, but most of those people don't know each other. So I knew that that would happen, but it did not occur to me until just tonight, sitting here, the relevance of these 18 women, 19 including me, 18 women, are really taking the time to take care of themselves. They all have stories of anxiety and PTSD and social anxiety and all sorts of things that people have shared with me through our conversations and getting ready for this retreat. And they are all so hopeful that this event is going to help with their mental health. And it is such a wonderful feeling to know that as a side result of this crafting and creative event, these 18 women are going to walk away not only with new friendships, but also feeling that much better about themselves and perhaps having some more self-confidence if they were, unsure about meeting new people, or they've cleared their heads and they're going home to their families feeling fresh and renewed and regenerated and able to give to their families or their jobs or their churches or whoever it is that they need to give to, but they can't do that when their cups are empty. And they're going to have that opportunity to fill their cup. And I had this revelation, and there is this consistent tie through the conversations that I'm having with the participants who are coming, that has really awakened me to the fact that this is much more than just crafting and creating and making new friends. This is a mental health break. This is a wellness retreat for these people. And I feel so honored and so privileged to be able to deliver that for them through creativity. And I just wanted to share that with you. If you are feeling that way, drop a comment or reach out to me privately and let me help you to use art and creativity and crafting to help mend some of your mental health challenges, and use crafting and creativity to fill your cup and take care of yourself, because it is incredibly important. And I know we hear that a lot in the media, that, self-care is so important, but self-care really does look different for everyone. And this crafting and creativity is definitely a form of taking care of yourself and filling your cup. So, something to ponder. So lastly, the focus next week will be on the workshop space. I am going to do my darndest to have it ready for workshops the first week in November. Greg's going away hunting because it's deer season, but I am convinced that I can do this on my own and get it all ready. And I'm going to hold my first workshops in November. So stay tuned for that footage, and I will show you how we're transforming that space on a budget, and we're just going to make it look functional and as clean as possible. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be functional, and we're going to get ourselves going in the direction of doing workshops here, and a full workshop schedule will be coming at you that first week in November as well. And secondly is the newsletter is well underway. So there will be a link coming to you for joining the newsletter. So if you're interested in doing that, keep an eye out for that as well, so that you can stay informed on what's happening here at the business and what kind of classes we're running, and some tips and tricks along the way. So keep a lookout for that as well. Speaking of Halloween, we took a trip to the Spirit Halloween store, which I was incredibly resistant to, but I did the thing and took the girls, and they selected their Halloween costumes. I will leave a picture here for you. They are super cute, and they are excited for Halloween. In years past, We haven't done a whole lot with Halloween. We lived in a small community. And up until last year, both girls were really sort of put off by Halloween, a little bit scared maybe. And then last year on Halloween, we actually moved on Halloween. So Addison literally ran up and down the street with a plastic bag, knocking on doors and got a bit of candy. But really, we were still unpacking U-Haul at that point. So Halloween didn't really happen for them. So they are really, really excited about Halloween this year. And it's kind of fun to see them. Avery's older and making plans with her friends. She's picked out her costume. She's got a whole plan happening. And Addison's just excited to go trick-or-treating. So I will share some of that footage with you when that happens as well. But their costumes are really cute and they're really excited about Halloween. Let me know in the comments, do you have kids or grandkids who are excited to go trick-or-treating? What kind of costumes are they picking out this year? Are you hand-making, crafting ones, or are you purchasing ones from a secondhand store or from a retailer? I really wanted to craft my girls' Halloween costumes, but they just weren't having it. So we ended up with purchased ones. So I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys did for your kids or your grandkids. Let me know. Just a quick update on the keto fast as well. I made the decision to hold off my fast. I should have done my 60-hour fast this week, but I was swamped. I have been running at full tilt every single day this week to get everything ready for this retreat, despite the fact that I really tried not to procrastinate. So that's a personal trait of mine. But I really was trying to be prepared in advance, and I just wasn't as prepared as I wanted to be. I was up really late last night doing some last minute things, and I still have some things to do today. So I put off the 60-hour fast because I wasn't sure that I was going to have the time. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel. And I wanted to be able to give it my all and really to be able to tune in to how I was feeling on that 60-hour fast. So I've put it off till next week. So I made the decision to put off the fast until next week when I have the time to dedicate to it, and I can really pay attention to what my body's telling me and document those results and how I'm feeling and my blood sugar and all of those things, and really give it the attention that it deserves, because I'm really excited to see how I feel on it. So that's going to be fabulous. So you will see more of that next week. So that is it for me and this week's vlog. Belle's snoring. Oh, the life of a dog. I have tons to do. I got to get at it and get packed up and off to this retreat. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. Your support means so much to me. Just simply watching my videos through to the end, smashing that like button, subscribing, commenting, all of those things does an amazing thing for a small business like mine. So thank you so much for being here and for doing those things. I really, really appreciate it. Can't wait to show you what's coming up in the days to come, and especially moving into Christmas. So excited for that. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, be well, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.